Hi, I'm Ockrassa. I'm a diving supervisor at the Port of Oakland. I've been here for a little over 20 years, and I spent 14 years running through all the different classifications of Navy diver before I came here. Diving's a dirty job. If you're not rolling around in the mud, you're getting covered in epoxy, and it never ends. The dive crew's responsibility entails the port, the airport, commercial real estate, and anything along the 18 miles of shoreline that the port takes care of. The dikes and the approach lights at the airport, all the piers at maritime. A typical day for the divers might be to go out in the large boat and moor alongside one of the piers, put a diver in with a camera and a pressure cleaning wand and clean piles looking for damage. My crew's made up of different experiences, from Navy to offshore to civilian scuba diver and instructor to construction, and between the four of us we manage to have inputs that cover almost any objective we might come up against. The most favorite thing about this job has always been the variety. It's like going out into the garage in the morning and saying, what am I going to do today? Because there's always something different.